We are who we are. We are who we choose to be. You are who you want to be. Good people deserve what they deserve to be. Don't let it get to you when it sucks. Whatever it is, whoever it is, push yourself forward away. Nike may own these 3 words, but it is you who can prove these 3 words. Don't like your job? Drop your shit and get the fuck out of there. And find what you deserve. Ain't happy with who you thought loved you? Ditch their asses and find what you deserve. If you ain't cool with who you are, tell yourself to go fuck yourself and then go back and apologize. And find what you deserve. Whatever it takes. Get in your car and forget the rear view. Refrain yourself from turning your neck and don't turn back. Just do it. Just to name a few of these guys who got it. If I can take it, I can make it. Louis Zamperini. Don't count the days, make the days count. Muhammad Ali. Do or do not. Yoda. It's not who I am underneath. It's what I do that defines me. Batman. The Christian Bale one, by the way. Figure out what fear is and take it out for a drink. Hook up with commitment and see if you'd like to do it again another day. Make passion give you a ride to the sunset. Let creativity be your date to the prom. Just do it. You deserve to know why you deserve it. And all that would start with just 3 words. Just do it. That's all from me, guys. Thank you very much.
I was a rich girl. Na, 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 na,